Today I worked on a vehicle where the customer reported that the check engine light was on. After connecting a scan tool to diagnose the issue, I found the P0171 error code, which means System Too Lean, Bank 1. This code usually indicates that the air-fuel mixture is too lean, potentially due to a problem with the air intake or fuel system. I decided to focus on diagnosing the root cause step by step. I started with a visual inspection of the mass airflow, MAF, sensor. This component plays a critical role in measuring the amount of air entering the engine and helping the system adjust the air-fuel mixture. Upon inspection, I didn't see any visible issues such as damage or contamination on the sensor. However, I knew that a sensor could still malfunction internally, even if it looks fine externally. With the engine idling, I used a lab scope to monitor the signal from the MAF sensor. A healthy MAF sensor should produce a stable and consistent signal. However, in this case, the signal was erratic, which indicated a potential issue with the sensor. Next, I turned the ignition on, but kept the engine off, and used a multimeter to check the electrical supply to the MAF sensor. I verified that both the voltage and ground were present, meaning the issue wasn't with the wiring or power supply. At this point, I removed the MAF sensor to inspect it more closely. On visual inspection of the sensing element, I found no debris or contamination, which ruled out issues like dirt buildup or obstruction. Despite its clean appearance, the erratic signal observed earlier confirmed that the MAF sensor itself was faulty. To resolve the issue, I replaced the faulty MAF sensor with a new one. After installing the replacement, I cleared the fault codes using the scan tool and performed a road test to ensure everything was functioning correctly. The vehicle ran smoothly, the check engine light stayed off, and no new fault codes appeared. This repair highlights the importance of systematic diagnostics. Even when a component looks fine externally, tools like a lab scope and multimeter can reveal underlying issues that aren't visible to the naked eye. If you're dealing with a P0171 code, don't overlook the MAF sensor. It's often a key component in resolving lean air-fuel mixture problems.